they serve as a bridge to connect the students and the business school. So we want to make sure the voice are heard loud and clear.
The aim is to bring some connection between the different disciplines of the business school, as well as between the doctoral community and the academic community within the business school itself.
Research is all about reading. You have to continually read.
It's a very lonely process.
Your supervisors give you guidance, but you are actually out there by yourself.
The HDR Student Committee is led by students to organize events for all the research PhD students. People sitting in pairs, giving the person in front of them all their attention and really trying to communicate their research.
We are very, very diverse, both in ethnicity, in disciplinary focus, and even from a gender perspective.
The thing I enjoyed most was the opportunity to meet new people and to learn more about what they're researching and try to explore ideas for collaborating.
It's really helped me to give me new insights about what I can do with my research.
I really like the part where I could sit down with my team and we find so much common in our research, even though the topics are different.
And it was just such a fantastic success. Some terrific connections and relationships were formed between different PhD students. Would have never happened if we were just still sitting at our desks.
Wellbeing means feeling like you belong within a community. You feel supported so that you can perform well, do high quality research.
Feeling like other people care about what's happening to you enough to help you succeed.
We have a team site where we can really share some vital information, some tips, some tricks, some announcements to help people feel connected to each other, regardless of what discipline they're in.
We really get our voices heard and we get a lot of help that we really need.